Now the first alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Joe Winters.
Although it was just slightly humid today, we saw a beautiful day across eastern Iowa. Sunshine in the morning, some clouds in the afternoon. Then they cleared just in time for a beautiful sunset across all of eastern Iowa. That's how it was viewed looking to the northwest from our O-Line City Cam throughout the entire day. And it's a very comfortable night right now. We're down to 63 degrees in Charles City, 68 in Cedar Rapids, 71 degrees in Iowa City. More importantly, we are seeing clear skies now covering all of eastern Iowa. And the mostly clear skies tonight ultimately lead to sunshine as we head into the start of our Thursday. Look at the winds, all very light and around from the north. That northerly wind is continuing to bring down some drier air. It's just taking a long time to get rid of those dew points that are still in the 60s in some spots to push them down in the 50s, but it will. And once that air arrives, it's going to stick around for a while. So our cooler change is with us. We do have a slight chance on Friday, a slight chance of an isolated shower. We're between two storm systems, one to the north, one to the south. So we'll have to watch for that. But again, they will be isolated at best and they will be very, very light. And tomorrow, the Iowa State Fair starts. So take a look at some of the weather numbers from the Iowa State Fair. 2 is the average number of days normally during the entire run of the Iowa State Fair that we see highs in the 90s. The most days that we saw highs in the 90s for any state fair was 9 days, and only one fair in 1983 had temperatures that exceeded 100 degrees. But that happened on 6 days in 1983. So there's some of the numbers and some of the weather for the fair. We'll have the fair forecast coming up. Clear skies right now, some clouds all the way back in the plains. There's storm system number 1 back, and this will move to the north. Storm system number 2, which moves to the south, both push to the east, and that'll increase some of our cloudiness, I think, by the mid part of the day or tomorrow afternoon, and then that cloudiness sticks around into Friday. And again, as that moisture moves in, there could be that very isolated shower. But you see Thursday, we're dry. Those clouds do start to build slowly but surely. More moisture off to the west by evening. I think that still stays away for tomorrow night, but then ultimately on Friday, that chance of a shower exists. 59 degrees in Iowa City, mostly clear. Winds out of the northeast at 5 to 10. Our highs tomorrow should get very close to 80 in Washington, mid-70s farther north, 77 degrees in Dubuque and Cedar Rapids. A partly cloudy sky builds with southeast winds right around 5 to 10. Here's our extended forecast. Thursday, Friday, Saturday look real good with more clouds Friday and that slight chance of a shower, 76 degrees. By Saturday morning, we're down to 54 degrees, and Saturday's high sitting at 77. Take a look at the remainder of our extended forecast. Sunday, again, a fantastic day. We start with 55 degrees, afternoon high near 79. There's a slight chance of showers and storms moving in on Monday with a high of 79 degrees. Now the Iowa State Fair does get underway, and it really looks like the weather should be nice if you're making plans for the first 3 days of the fair. Thursday, we're looking for a partly cloudy sky and comfortable condition right near 80 degrees. Friday, if you're headed to the fair, a sun-cloud mix and 79. And Saturday looks good as well, a high of 80 degrees, mostly sunny and pleasant conditions. Almost a perfect start for the weather for the Iowa State Fair.
Yes, definitely.
Real nice.
Thanks, Joe. Well, still ahead tonight, Jill Caspery will be back to tell us about that grassy problem that's going on in Lynn County, the dispute between the auditor and the county over paying for lawn cutting.